Every meal you cook today, they started this. 1 million years ago. South Africa. Wonderwerk Cave. A wildfire swept through the dry savanna grass. An animal was caught. It did not survive. The smoke carried something none of them recognized. Not danger. Something else. Something that pulled them closer. The oldest male moved first. Slow, deliberate, alone. He stopped above the carcass. Heat still rising. His nose told him what his eyes could not. Fear said stop. Something deeper said move forward. One hand reached out. Then reached again. Pulled back. The first piece of cooked meat left the carcass. He brought it to his face. He smelled it. Then, for the very first time in history, a human being bit into cooked food. His jaw slowed. His eyes closed. Then opened again. He turned back. The group was already moving forward. They fed the fire. They kept it burning all night. Nothing came near the flame. Not one predator. Not once. Morning came. They cooked again. This time on purpose. The children ate first. That was the real moment. Follow now. New survival story every single day.